Hey, what is going on everybody? Nate here, back at you with another tech video. And today we are going to be taking a look at a pair of $20 illuminated gaming headphones from a company called Runmus. Now the question is, should you really be purchasing $20 headphones? After all, for $20 more, you could possibly get a different pair of headphones with more features. In today's video, I will be going over the pros and cons of this product and letting you know if the Runmus gaming headphones are actually worth it. The number one most important feature to consider when buying headphones, especially gaming headphones, is not the sound quality, but actually how comfortable the headphones are on your ears. The Runmus gaming headphones actually do pretty well in this department, mostly because they have foam ear pads, and after about an hour of usage, I surprisingly felt no discomfort. Something that all budget products have trouble with is build quality. The Runmus headphones definitely have a lot of weaknesses in build quality, but to my surprise, they actually were noticeably sturdy. Now keep in mind, this device is mostly made out of plastic, so although it feels solid, I wouldn't expect it to survive a tough beating. Great sound quality is probably the main reason why consumers buy headsets, and the Runmus gaming headphones have a considerable amount to offer as far as audio quality. When wearing these headphones, you will notice a substantial amount of bass, as well as clear mids and highs, which makes your gaming experience pretty decent. If you haven't noticed already, this product does in fact have a microphone, and the audio that you are hearing right now is being recorded through it. As you can hear, it's not the best quality, but it will definitely allow your squad to hear you when you are playing a game of Fortnite. Now, believe it or not, these headphones are actually compatible with Xbox, PS4, and Nintendo Switch consoles, as well as being able to connect to regular devices like your PC and phone. This wide range of compatibility makes the Runmus gaming headset ideal for people with multiple gaming devices. Now let's talk about the lights on this headset, which illuminate the Runmus logo on either side. The lights themselves don't change color and will remain this blue hue forever, but you can turn on or off the lights when you please using the little knob positioned on the braided cable. Although the lighting on these headphones are not RGB, it is still a very appreciated addition to this product, especially considering that these are only 20 bucks. So, should you purchase the $20 Runmus gaming headphones? I would say to go right ahead, click the link in the description below, and pick up a pair of these budget beasts, but the decision is really up to you. Would you consider buying these headphones? Let me know in the comment section down below, and as always guys, I am Nate from EverydayTechnology, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye.